In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone volume in Discord on PC. If your friends say you're too quiet or you sound way too loud and distorted, this quick adjustment is exactly what you need. Microphone volume in Discord controls how strong your voice signal is before it reaches your calls, streams, or game chats. Setting it correctly helps your voice come through clearly without crackle, clipping, or the need for others to keep turning you up or down. Start by opening Discord on your PC. Look to the bottom left corner of the app window. You'll see a small gear icon, often labeled User Settings, next to your profile area. Click that gear to open your personal settings. This is where all of your app preferences live, and it's the fastest way to fine-tune your audio. Inside Settings, find and click Voice and Video in the left-hand sidebar. This section contains everything related to voice calls and audio behavior in Discord. Once you're on that page, look for the microphone volume control. Discord typically labels this input volume, and it appears as a horizontal slider. This slider directly controls how loud your microphone sounds to others in voice channels and direct calls. To adjust the volume, click and drag the slider. Move it to the right to increase your mic volume, or to the left to decrease it. Make small, gradual changes rather than big jumps. As you move the slider, speak at your normal conversation level so you're setting the volume based on how you actually talk, not a whisper or a shout. If friends have mentioned your voice sounds harsh, crackly, or like it's peaking, that often means the input volume is too high, so pull the slider back a bit. If they frequently say you're hard to hear, nudge the slider to the right until they report you're coming through clearly. When you find a level that sounds natural and easy to understand, you're done. There's no need to save anything. Discord applies the change immediately. You can simply close the settings window and jump back into your call or game. A couple of quick tips as you fine-tune. Keep your microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth, usually a short hand's length away, and speak across the mic rather than directly blasting air into it. Try to maintain a consistent speaking volume so you don't have to keep adjusting the slider later. And that's all it takes. Click the gear icon, go to Voice and Video, use the microphone volume slider, and adjust until you sound just right.